When you have nothing, the world forgets you. No calls, no check-ins, no support. Just silence. But in that silence, you are forged. Here are 7 truths you learn when you're left alone. 1. Loneliness makes you strong. Solitude stops being scary. It becomes your battlefield. 2. Self-reliance is power. Lean on no one. Discipline is your freedom. 3. Pain is yours alone. No one will carry it for you, but it hardens your soul. 4. Silence exposes the truth. You see who was real and who was pretending. 5. Stop chasing people. If they don't value you at your worst, they don't deserve you at your best. 6. Struggle fuels your rise. Every blow becomes energy to lift you higher. 7. Build yourself quietly. No applause is needed. When you rise, you won't need the ones who left. The silence that once broke you, it will become the silence that protects you. Strength built alone can never be taken.